What's up, guys? Today we're with Mr. Jack Wolf. Mr. Jack Wolf came last weekend, not today. Anyways, today we're gonna be 3D printing a squirrel feeder. Now, why a squirrel feeder? Because my grandma, she always likes feeding squirrels, and so I wanted to print things for her that's better than two old noossables that holded food and water. So we're gonna print her a good solution. Now here's my Ender 3S1 Plus with the Sonic pad attached, and we're about to set off a print. As you can see, I designed this in Onshape, and we're gonna start printing right now. And here goes the Critter Cafe. See the tubes of the food and water? These were made using a sweet feature and Onshape. Alright guys, so here is our Critter Cafe. And I think we could just pop this off because it's PEI. Look at how easy that popped off. Let's check it out. Ready guys for the water test? Here we go. Oh yeah, it works. It works. It really does work. Oh yeah guys, let's give this guy a test. At my grandma's house. Alright, here we go. We're gonna open. Here goes the water. Oh my god. Okay. So that's all guys. The first Critter Cafe is open for business. And if you have a Critter Cafe that you printed, please send in a make and I'll add your serial number in the comment section on Thingiverse and Colts 3D. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and Kakapo's rule.